Hi, I'm Alison from Freddie Loves Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to create the letters on a blanket or a wreath using popcorn stitches and making sure that they come out the right way round, which is tricky. This tutorial includes instructions for both right-handers and left-handers because there is a difference. So please grab your hooks and your yarn and follow along, and I hope you enjoy it. Please give me a subscribe, a like, and a comment would be absolutely brilliant as well. Thanks very much. Enjoy. So to get the words showing the right way round using popcorn stitches, if you're right-handed, I'm going to show you what to do first, and then if you're left-handed, for you left-handers, for once it's actually a little bit easier. So obviously we read from left to right, but when we crochet and you're right-handed, you crochet from right to left. So we work on the back of your work. So I have started a piece here. I'm just going to move that one out of the way. I've started a piece here. So these are the start of another summer word, and I've done my first row here. And you'll see that this is the S, U, and then this would be the M, the M. So this is the words reading from left to right. But I have crocheted it that way. So I started here and I've crocheted it along. So the back, when I'm putting these bobbles on, or these little popcorn stitches, the back is facing me, and I am working them at the front. So the next thing I'm going to do is show you how to do that bit where they are at on the opposite side. And this is if you're right-handed. So the first thing I'm going to do is make 3 full single crochets. And you'll see that I am actually crocheting over this blue. I'm carrying it, and that means the blue will be in the right position for when I need it again in a minute. So that was 1, 2, 3. And then in this fourth one, and these are all in the same stitch, this fourth one, I'm going to yarn over and pull through in my letters colour, which is white. And then I'm going to complete it because I need to now change back to blue to finish the popcorn stitch. This stops any sort of the yarn colours bleeding into each other. So for right-handers, this is where it's slightly different than if you're left-handed. So right-handers, take your hook out of your loop, make it a little bit bigger so you don't lose it. Then identify the very first stitch that you did of your popcorn stitch. And for a right-hander, you're going to take it sort of back on the back of your work and push it through to the front. You're going to take your hook that way, pick up the loop that you'd taken off and pull it through. And what you'll see that does, because we're working here, this is going to be the back of our work, this is the front. It makes that popcorn stitch come out at the front. So then you've got blue on your hook ready for your next stitch. And then and I'm going to show you in the next stitch how you would do it if you're left-handed. So for left-handed crochet at this point, you have changed colour just like you did with the right-handed one. So the final pull through of the stitch before the popcorn, you need to put the new colour on, the letter colour. You're going to make 3 full single crochets just like the right-handers did. 1, 2, 3. And then in the fourth, that's where we change colour again. So this is exactly the same as for the right-handers. Okay, gonna pull up a loop, take your hook out. This time, instead of going around the back that the right-handers did, you're going to go from the front, which is a traditional way, more traditional way of doing a popcorn stitch. From the front and pick up the loop, because left-handers, you want your work to be on the front. So you work on the front, your letters are at the front of your work, and whereas for right-handers, the letters are on the back of the work when it's facing you. So I've caught that yarn up there. There we go. So for left-handers, you go in from the front through the popcorn stitch, pick up that loop and pull it. And that's the only difference. And there you have it. That's how you create popcorn stitches to make letters on wreaths or blankets or cushions or anything that you might want to do it on. If you've enjoyed today's video, please do give me a subscribe, a like, a comment would be great too. And I'll see you again very soon for another video all about crochet. Thanks now.